Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farha Suzana binti Isha and I am in Group 4. So the topic will be human load in elevator. So the group members in Group 4 is Usaid bin Abdul Majid, Nur Alia Mashita binti bin Irwan Sudno, and Farha Suzana binti Isha, which is me. And then from the introduction, so what is an elevator? An elevator is a platform that may be either open or closed. It can be used to raise and lower both the people and the objects to higher and lower floors. And it is also a type of electric lift that can be used to transfer people and products vertically between levels of building utilizing silos or bins. So in the modern elevator, it have improved control systems that can increase both the speed and safety of the occupants inside. And it can also balance the vehicle using a counterweight and 40% of the maximum rated load. And it is composed of steel to guarantee the strength and endurance of the elevator. So next is in the literature review, there are responsibilities regarding the safe and use of lift or elevator. So one of the points inside the literature review are general operating system. The shift, motor, and the controller of the lift system were all housed in a machine room that are above the lift shaft. And then there are legislative requirements and standards by following the acts and regulations that have been stated by the government. And then there are also the Malaysian standard. The designer should follow the codes and standards related to the elevators when designing. So in penalty, duties and responsibilities, if the company are failed to comply the orders and violating the laws while proven guilty, they need to pay their fine or they can get imprisoned. Also, the responsibilities need to be taken by everyone, which is the government, the organization, or the civilian. Everyone should take responsibilities when riding the lift and follow the rules of lift. So next is the calculation. In the calculation, we use the Newton's second law, which is F equal to ma. So firstly, we need to calculate what is the maximum weight that the lift can hold. So the maximum weight is around 7,848 Newton. And then we calculate the support force. The support force inside the lift, which is F equal to ma plus mg, which is the weight. So the result that we get is 640.5 Newton. So when the cable breaks, the weight inside the lift is 490.5 Newton. The mass we put 50 is because we assume that the person mass is 50 kilogram. So we can calculate the support force when the cable breaks, which is 490.5 Newton. The result will be the same because when the body is in free fall, the downward acceleration will be the same with gravity acceleration. So when the cable breaks, the weight inside the lift should be 490.5 Newton. But if we calculated the support force, the force equal to ma plus mg will be equal to 490.5 Newton. The value will be the same because when a body is in free fall, the downward acceleration will be the same with gravity acceleration. So the acceleration we put 0 because acceleration can be equal to 0 if it is at rest or moving up or moving down at constant speed. We put 0 because the lift cable is break, so the downward acceleration will be equal to 0. In the discussion, the lifts and machines require care and scheduled maintenance to ensure that they can function properly without causing any problems to the users. And it is also built with several safety systems that can be ensured that it is safe condition. And also, the lift analysis is important for analyzing the strength of the wire rope when the load is uniformly distributed towards the wire rope. So lastly is the conclusion. The function of lift is to support the occupants' load from the ground level to a higher level inside a building. So, a proper calculation is to be taken as how much the lift can hold the weight and loads. If the weight of a occupant is bigger than the weight of the maximum load a lift can hold, it will mostly create an accident. So, a proper installation and safety measures should be taken seriously. And that is all from our group. Thank you.